Namaskaram and welcome to all the beautiful ladies. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in the year 2012 from Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu. Now we have 17 stores all across South India in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Be it the quality, the prices and the collection, we always provide the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and amazing interiors too. So ladies, today's episode is all about beautiful Venkatgiri Pattu sarees, and let me show you the first lovely one. Here's the first lovely Venkatgiri saree in chocolate brown and mustard color. Let's get started with the body. The body of this one has small floral buttees in silver zari, creating a beautiful contrasting pattern all over the body. The border, which is in mustard color, has cross lines in silver zari, and we have the small floral jal in the edge. We also have these munia buttees in green color all over our cross lines, and then we have small polkas and cross checks in silver zari. Our beautiful contrasting pallu has florals in lines, and then we also have floral brocade work with brown color polkas detailing, adding a beautiful pop of color to your mustard color pallu. Here's the beautiful contrasting blouse in mustard color for your chocolate brown saree, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear ladies, we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you're sitting when you place an order for our sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, we'll deliver them to you in no time, and cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. So here I have a very beautiful peach color Venkatgiri saree on which we have very unique style work. Let's get started with the body. The body of this one has floral buttees inside cross checks, and this work is very unique because the floral buttees are very abstract. We have this unique style line design floral buttees in gold and silver zari. We have a very simple and elegant border with silver zari kadi and a green color edge to your border. Our contrasting green color pallu has beautiful work all over it. We have paisleys in silver zari, and then we have floral buttees in cross checks all over it. The beautiful contrasting blouse is in green color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, the weavers' prices are valid only for limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here's a very beautiful bright green color Venkatgiri Pattu saree. Let's get started with the body. The body of this one has self-embossed checks in yellow color, which is contrasting beautifully with your green color saree. And then we have small floral buttees in silver zari, we have small buttees and we have larger buttees too, creating a lovely contrast of pattern. Our border, also in green color, has temples on the edge in silver zari, and on the red color, maroon color part, we have florals and lines, and we have paisleys and floral jal in silver zari. We also have small zigzag lines and zari lines too, creating a beautiful design on the border. Our lovely pallu has peacocks with florals in lines, and we also have yalis with florals. Then we have florals in cross boxes, brocade work. Our self blouse has small floral buttees in silver zari on it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. You can also place an order for our sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box below. These links will take you to our website, that is kanchivml.com. There you can add this saree and many more such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the order right away. Here we have a beautiful maroon color with rust color Venkatgiri Pattu saree, and on the body we have this beautiful bird buttees, and we have florals and weave buttees in silver zari, a beautiful contrasting work on the body. Our rust color border has temples in silver zari, and then we have florals and weave jal. We also have small polkas and lines, and then we have these floral buttees with small diamonds and cross lines. Our beautiful contrasting pallu has dollars in boxes, and then we have peacocks with florals and weave jal in silver zari. We also have this beautiful brocade work all over the pallu in silver zari. We have a beautiful rust shade color contrasting blouse for your maroon saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can come back, watch it again, share it with your friends and family, and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here's a very beautiful festive bright pink color with mustard color Venkatgiri saree. Let's get started with the body. The body of this one has crossed lines, and the crossed lines have small boxes in them, and we have silver and gold zari combination, creating a lovely contrast of zari. On a mustard color border, we have small pastries on the edge in silver zari, and then we have cross lines, zigzag lines all over the border on the edge of it. And then we have this geometrical florals and leaf jal with cross lines in silver zari and again zigzag lines. Our contrasting pallu in bright yellow color is extremely beautiful. We have temples in silver zari, and then we have yalis with florals and peacocks in boxes again in silver zari. We have beautiful brocade work of florals inside cross checks. Here's the bright yellow color contrasting blouse for your bright pink saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, we have 17 stores of VML all over South India in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store now. Here's a beautiful orange with blue color Venkatgiri Pattu saree. Let's get started with the body. The body of this one has zari checks in silver zari all over it, and inside that we have small floral buttees. And then we have boxes inside that. We have deers with florals, beautiful detailing, a lot of intricate work is there. Our border, which is in a beautiful shade of blue, has dollars in zari lines, and then we have polkas with cross lines in blue color. We also have cross lines in silver zari too. A contrasting pallu has deers with peacocks and florals and leaf jal in silver zari, creating a very beautiful organic pattern. And then we have this floral brocade work all over it in silver zari. A contrasting blue color blouse has zari checks all over it in silver zari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, we provide global courier service and cash on delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The Vivo's prices are valid for limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, so you can watch them again and share it with your friends and family too. You can also shop for these sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box. These links will take you to our website, that is countryvml.com, and there you can place order for this saree and many more such lovely sarees directly by placing the order from the cart. Dear customers, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about beautiful Venkatgiri sarees. I tried to show you so many variations in colors and designs. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.